More parts. What could it be? Maybe one day I'll be good at opening packages with one hand. I'm not. Just give me a second. And inside the package, we have another package. Let's see if I can get this one. No. Is this a joke? Why the hell is there 3 packages? Those 3 packages for this. Some custom billet machine wheel spacers. 5mm, 5x5. PCD is 78.1. Take a guess what these are for. These things are really nice actually. They're pretty sturdy. I actually only needed 3mm for the application I'll be going on, but 5mm was the smallest that this machinist would make. And yes, Rue, they're shiny. Want to put it on? No. Well, then help me put it on the vehicle. So the spacers are for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Because it's got some 2014 Wrangler wheels, but they don't clear the front brakes. And 5mm should be enough to push them out because they're just barely touching. Also got some brand new tires for it. Some Goodyear Wrangler Duratracs. And the size is 245/70 R17. So while the vehicle's still on the ground, don't forget to loosen your lug nuts because it'll be impossible to do all that up in the air. And make sure you have your key. And I got my big breaker bar here. Let's see if I could do this one-handed. Not bad. Put the camera down, I'll finish this up. So I find the easiest way to jack up the Jeep is on the transmission cross member. Then I'll put a jack stand underneath this rear subframe bolt here. And that gives me enough clearance and enough room to do the work I need to do. And just like that. Also keep the jack on just a little bit, just in case something fails, the vehicle won't fall. Now, I'll get these off and put on the spacer. Got the spacer. It's really good. And that should give us the clearance here. So this part of the brake was hitting on the wheels. You can see it's a little bit rubbed. Let's put the wheel on and tighten the bolts a little bit and see how it spins. And one thing I should mention that it's a rule of thumb to have at least 6 rotations of your lug nut on to be safe when you use spacers, because you're losing a little bit of length on the stud. So let's try this one out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and almost 7. So I'm gonna say these are pretty safe and should be just fine. And it looks like we got the room we need. Fit my finger between brake caliper and the tire. And there's no rubbing. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of it and see how it looks afterwards. So they're both, well actually all four are on. I'll take a video from the outside later, but just a reminder, don't forget to torque your wheels, grab your torque wrench, and according to the owner's manual it's 105 foot-pounds.